Oh, nagtataka ka rin ba? Bakit Vlog 93 yung nakalagay? Say not. Dahil in this video, we're gonna talk about delays. Alright, so before we begin in this video, let me introduce myself. I am RJ Ganeshan Padong, and this is me reminding everyone that it's another day, it's another blessings to God on. So earlier we talked about that we're gonna talk about delays. So is it really possible that in our life we have delays or may mga bagay na nakukuha natin hindi agad-agad but in the most perfect time? And in some challenges, in some circumstances, meron tayong mga dreams na parang gusto na nating sukuan, gusto na nating ayawan. Pero there's this universe trying to reach out back again to us na, Hoy RJ, ibibigay ko yan sa'yo. Mag-intay ka lang. Wow! Guys, like, I was so inspired to our grade 9 favorite song yun ng 9 Genesis. I'm so proud na ako yung laging nagpapatugtog nun sa school. And then, parang all throughout the academic year, we are trying to really live out with that quote. Alam niyo tong kanta na to, yung mga classmate ko nung high school dyan, yung napapanood niyo to, allow me to sing it with you here. So, ganito yung unang verse ng kantang to. So, alam ko pag kinanta ko to, malalaman yun eh. Not unless kung wala ako sa tono, diba? Ayun. Dito siya. Through you, I can do anything. I can do all things. For it's you who give me strength. Nothing is impossible. Yes. So, ganda siya ng Planet Shakers. And it's titled, Nothing is Impossible. And, ayun, so, we're trying to dig deeper. Ano nga ba yung mga delay? Ano yung delay sa buhay natin? Ano yung delay sa prayers natin? And something and so forth. So, yung delay, para sa akin kasi I don't want to be specific sa mga textbook, sa mga nakikita natin online, but I want to share a personal experience about delay. For me, delay is something na we really look forward to have to, but we really didn't have to get up. May gusto tayong makuha, pero hindi natin nakuha. It's a sense of delay, like it's the delay itself. The first thing in my mind when I heard the word delay is that there's this something that you really want on time. Like, delay is all about the timing. So, we're going to talk about, pwede ko ba itong makuha sa ganitong month? Pwede ko ba itong ma-achieve bukas, mamaya? But delay is something really powerful. It might trigger our dissatisfaction, like, parang ayaw na nating gawin or ituloy kasi we are already delayed. But on the other hand, for me, I just want to boost the morale of my viewers na delay is something we might took action into. Like, delay na siya eh. So, isipin na lang natin na if one door closes, there will be another one that will open up for you. And that's delay all about. You're going to into something, a journey that is really based on your own timeline. Because we really never know when will our time come. Like, the tables will turn, of course, and the ball will go round and round. Like, love is on the bus, go round and round. Ayun, so, iikot yung mundo natin. Hindi tayo magiging stagnant. We were not going to be in a place kung nasan tayo ngayon. We all have our own dreams. We all have our own specific in life. So, kung hahayaan natin yung isang pagkatalo na kakainin tayo, it will be the delayed success. But the delayed success is much more deeper because matututo tayo ng matututo. Matututo tayo in a sense na ay sa gantong paraan, hindi to, like kung pag nagpaplano tayo, if really plan everything, may mga bagay na ina-exclude tayo, diba? For example, may gusto akong gawin ngayon araw, but late ako nagising. So, e-X ko na siya agad. Or something na gusto kong magpahinga, ayoko muna mag-vlog this Sunday kasi parang tinatamad ako, parang ang daming gawin. Parang mas gusto ko na lang muna mag-bedrot sa bahay, gumawa muna ako ng mga online games, maglaro muna. And that's come the delay happenings to us na delay is something powerful to the point na we know how to value our own time, we know how to be responsible, and of course, delay is something alarming. Kasi dapat andito ka, dapat ginagawa mo to, dapat meron kang na-publish ngayong araw. That's what delay is telling us. And ayun, nakakapanghina siya ng loob kapag yung delay paulit-ulit na. Like, we are already trying, but parang internet na walang connection. But we are click tayo ng click dun sa red button. Pero ang totoo, wala pa rin internet. Like, click tayo ng click, pero alam na natin na walang internet. So, pag walang internet, tapos try tayo ng try para mag-reload yung isang page or yung website. We know na walang internet. But try tayo ng try. And hindi natin, first of all, hindi natin tinignan yung problema, which is yung walang internet. But on the other hand, if we're gonna be someone who is goal-driven, who is someone who is gustong mag-succeed dun sa gagawin niya, syempre, titignan natin yung settings. Naka-open ba yung wifi ko? Kung may internet connection na bang nakalagay? And then that's the time that we are going to retry. Kasi if we're gonna retry or uulit tayo sa isang bagay na alam natin na parang, ay, di ko pa kaya. So, siguro, let's try to be more, alamin pa natin ng maigi yung sarili natin. Kasi kapag ganun, guys, masasaktan tayo eh. Yung pinipilit natin yung mga bagay na alam nating hindi na talaga kaya or hindi pa ngayon dapat tinitignan, that's the time that we should know how to quit. We should know how to stay out because mauubos tayo. Ay, buhay nga naman talaga, guys, no? Like, sobrang daming challenges sa buhay, no? Para tayo nasa... Maybe it's the essence of living. Nararamdaman mo yung pressure, meron kang problema, but meron kang lifestyle. Hindi nawawala yung buhay mo sa path. Kaya kayo, guys, huwag kayo mapapanghinaan ng loob. Hanggat kaya, hanggat bumabangon tayo sa higaan, hanggat merong nagpapaalala sa atin na go rise, tumayo tayo. You don't need to be perfect every time naman eh. And you don't need to force connection. That's the one thing that you should learn out in this life. Like, may mga taong papasok sa buhay mo, but they have their own life. So you're gonna have to deal with your own with yourself, and being with yourself. Yeah. This is RJ Ganeshan that been reminding you that delay is a delay. But the main thing is, delay is a redirection. Delay is something that will make you go again, try again, and delay is something powerful. Powerful siya kasi, ayun nga, we can retreat, we can quit, but at the same time, we can see the world at the different and color. Sobrang daming color. So, kapag nagpapaunahan yung mga kulay, meron na lalabas na dominant. For example, sa rainbow, nagpapaunahan si red, orange, yellow, green, indigo, violet. But, kung nauna si red, ang lalabas na color mo is red. Then, kapag sabay sila, dun shuffle, and that's delay what's happening. Or that's how I want you to guys think about delays. And ako naman sa buhay ko right now, delay is something, the delay meaning for me is something that I should, kasi yung delay sa akin ngayon is making me a little lonely. Like, yeah, kasi napapanghinayangan ako kasi na-delay ako. Pero at the same time, I see it like something I should look upon kasi binigyan tayo ng another chance. So, gagawin natin ito. So, kayo guys, anong delay sa buhay nyo ngayon? Sorry. Delay daw guys. Delay. Ayoko na mag-joke. Hindi, wala. Basta, ayun. Ano daw delay sa buhay mo ngayon? Delay po ako, magising ngayong tanghali. So, delay din yung lunch ko. Pero ang ganda ng panaginip ko kanina, guys. So real. And, ayan, to my fellow viewers right there, I just really want you to know that delay is impactful. So, be responsible, take the initiative, and if we can avoid being delayed, let us be. And gawin natin yung mga bagay na yan sa timeline na mayroon tayo. So, kayo guys, comment down below kung ano yung mga delay nyo this week or the last past month. Because today is May 31 and today is our last day of the month. So, I just really want you to let's not be delayed. Wala lang May 32. So, let's all clear the schedule for next month and be ready. So, that's it. Sobrang na-enjoy ko yung pag-share ko ng thoughts sa inyo. And somehow, I hope I can relate with you. And I hope it kind of little magbigay ng onting light or the bright side of what I'm saying here to all of you. So, this is RJ Canisian Pedong. I see you guys next Sunday. Bye-bye. Happy end of the month. Galingan mo sa this week. And I'm so proud of you. Bye-bye. Peace out. Bye-bye. Good night.
Subscribe to my channel.